Hello guys, andito na kami sa Universal Studio. As you can see, it's so beautiful here. So beautiful guys. See the globe, it's turned slowly. It's turning slowly. Wow.
Unique.
And they have the three famous chocolate store, Reese, Hershey's, and Kisses. It's a huge store for chocolates. And this one as well. Shell, maganda dito oh. Tinan mo, oh. Walang kaano-ano. Mitch, maganda dito oh. Sa side na to.